I got my peaches out in Georgia. Oh yeah, shit. I get my weed from California. That's that shit. I took my chick up to the north, yeah.
Hello, I'm actually going to get my iPhone repaired. It's at 9:40, the DJI Pocket 2. We're gonna take it for a spin today.
I wanna wrap my arms around you, baby, never let you go. And I see you, there's nothing.
So finally managed to put it right here. Oh my god, it's really hard to put the mask with one hand, man. Okay. This display has, I don't know whether you guys can see it, so it seems like there's a tiny gap, so I'm pretty sure it's not waterproof anymore. It's already 9:30 now. I hope I can make it by 9:40.
Now I'm all alone and my joys turn them open. Tell me, where are you now that I need you?
Let me just tell you guys, I'm actually testing the wide lens on this DJI. I have no idea how this output is because I literally unboxed it right now. Like,
where are you now that I need you?
yep.
Doing a display replacement, the most it costs with Apple Care is $45.
So for whole phone it's $149. Isn't that the better option?
It takes about a week. We have to send your phone to them for them to assess, and then they send a replacement back.
I just gave my phone there, and they're saying that if there's a water damage or anything. Long story short, I just came back home because obviously my Pocket 2 ran out of battery because it was only just 25%. Back at home, I just got an email from them. I had a little bit of like fear and anxiety because there was no phone. Like, it's only like 2 hours, but I just went through a series of thought process. I might have a fear or phobia kind of thing, which I don't know how to coin it, but probably I'll look it up on internet and put it as a text down there. On the way, I'll be returning my parcel as well. I'm getting a call from my brother. Yeah, that's my brother, by the way. So I'm actually shooting. Hello.
Hello. Hi.
End phone. And I realized that I carried this thinking that I can return this first, but I cannot because I don't have the phone with me and the QR code is on that. So now I need to first go to the Apple Care, get the phone and set it up, and then get the QR code and then return it. Think about certain things that you cannot do these days because you don't have a phone. So I'm just thinking, like, why don't you guys comment some of the things that you pop up in your mind that, oh my god, I cannot do this without having the phone. I have a note that I started writing, so probably I'll be making a video on that so you guys can reflect on it with me. Phone.
The next stop is William Street.
Even that guy's on phone. Hi, I just gonna pick up the phone.
Yeah.
Oh, great. So this should be now waterproof, isn't it?
Yeah,
Like,
that's right.
okay,
Yeah,
cool.
yes, they're replacing the ceiling.
Right.
Let's see the signature down.
Okay. I just can't believe we need to start with the Face ID, guys. But I can. Okay. And it's gonna take a while. I'm not sure whether the audio is still clear because there are so many tram running in the background. Like, as you can see, there's another tram right here. I'm not sure how clear this audio is, but I hope it should be fine. But just comment down below, I mean, if you guys can feel any difference. We are setting up this phone as a brand new. I'm only installing apps which are totally, completely necessary. Otherwise, I'm not going to install it. and I'm gonna go on no social media for 30 days and see how it is. So that's another challenge that I'm doing with this new setup. So the whole thing about the title, that is, how did I make the repair $0? Here in Australia we have something called ACL, which is Australian consumer law. So which basically means that if the manufacturer issues are covered and should be replaced and should be repaired with zero charges. So that's what actually happens. So since I have an Apple Care, which is extended warranty for another year, so this is my year 2, I'm still covered under Australian consumer law, and that's why my repair cost was 0. And at the same time, if I broke my phone, then I had to claim the Apple Care, which will be $45 for the screen replacement and $149 for the phone replacement. Oh, that's all? Cool. Okay, great. Thank you. Nene or Nini, one of my favorite Korean fried chicken place. Oh my god, guys. So I was all ready to order the food and pay for it, and then I realized that there's no Apple Wallet on my phone and I don't have my cards with me. None of the cards. I got my COVID card here. I don't have any other cards. All my credit cards are not imported because I haven't added, or I need the PIN number to enter it back. So obviously that was such a bummer. Have you guys ever had this kind of situation? You can just let me know in the comment. Oh my god, I just spotted my tram right there, so probably gonna run for it. Yes, this is good. Let's get into this.
Hello passengers. While the curfew is in place, Friday and Saturday night network services are not running.
We're having a curfew as well. Welcome to Melbourne. I just can't believe it. I'm actually laughing at myself, to be honest. And I'm really hungry as well. Anyway, I'm probably gonna make videos like this, like short videos and talk too much and daily vlogs. So if you guys are interested in any of the topics that I would like to discuss in this video, please feel free to comment down below, or just contact me on my Instagram, which is SREERAGNK, SreeragNK. So that's my user ID. So I hope you guys really like this video. I know it's a bit long and boring, sometimes repetitive, but I'm just gonna study on it, learn more about this daily vlogging, and definitely improve the quality going on. So more videos are coming about Australia and also potentially more about Canada as well. So stay tuned. See you guys later. Bye bye.